For the next section of our digraph classroom, we're going to be doing a matchup game. At the top, you have your 5 digraphs that we're working with for this classroom: SH, WH, CH, TH, and PH. Down below, you have 5 pictures. Each picture only matches one of these digraphs. So what you're going to do is you're going to click and drag your digraph from the top. So let's do SH together. And I'm going to pull it to the picture that either has a starting of SH, it has SH in the middle, or it ends with SH. So SH is somewhere. And I know that sheep has SH at the beginning. So I'm going to cover up the sheep with the SH. Then I would go on to my next one, WH, and I'm looking for a word with WH in it somewhere. And I know whale has WH in it. So I'm going to cover up the whale with the WH. And you continue for CH, TH, and PH. Then there are 2 more practice slides with different pictures. So you can practice 2 more times.